Thank you for joining us on YouTube as we discuss the top 5 fixes for Sage Timeslips Premium. My name is Rick O'Hara and I'm with Accounting Business Solutions by JCS. The first issue that's been addressed by Sage with timeslips is when viewing slips on the time and expense slip list, you can enter and edit the description at the bottom of the list. Entering in the description would move you off of the current view. The second issue that's been resolved is when you create a payment from account transaction, Timeslips creates a matching payment transaction. If you later edit the payment transaction, for example, to change the payment amount, Timeslips was not properly updating the payment from account transaction. The next issue is when displaying time values in the hour, minute, and seconds format, such as on the timesheet, time values can round incorrectly. The next issue is on the accounts receivable list. You can right-click on some transactions and choose Approve this transaction to quickly approve the transaction without manually printing a bill. If you do this while the billing assistant list is open, values in the list may not refresh properly. And finally, the last issue that's been resolved is you can use the buttons on the Navigator to quickly perform common actions. Using Navigator buttons to create a new timekeeper did not launch the action properly. Thank you for joining us for the top 5 fixes for Sage Timeslips Premium. Again, my name is Rick O'Hara with Accounting Business Solutions. We provide sales, training, and support, and you can reach us at 1-800-475-1047.